This color analysis client was told by multiple people prior to her virtual color analysis with myself that she was a summer. But after trying out the summer colors on her, she felt something was off and felt she needed brighter and bolder colors. And therefore, when she signed up for my services, she thought she was going to receive a winter color analysis result. Here's one of her historical pictures that she supplied. I don't easily see winter here, and when you look at her skin, it's got this natural sheen quality to it, and so I don't actually look at her easily and go, ooh, she's cool and smoky. There's this brightness to her skin. I don't easily see autumn here, but it could be lighting. Here's another historical picture that she supplied. This is colored hair though in her picture, but I don't easily see summer, like a smoky look to her skin and a muted complexion. To me, this is bright skin. Here's another picture that she supplied. I don't easily see summer here as well. This is why historical pictures help so much. So many people think, the photo of the current face with the white fabric covering the hair and their clothing is the only picture I look at for a color analysis. Obviously, that picture is part of the process, but the historical pictures and other supporting information supplied, it's a whole complete portfolio of information. So everything has to tell me the same story as what the color comparisons do. And definitely this is not showing a summer lens to it when I review her historical picture. And then even just adding on the palette that she thought she might be, because bolder and brighter colors is where she was thinking were more in harmony with her, like winter. I don't easily look at this picture and go, ooh, she's cool and icy, but it could be a lighting thing. When all her supporting pictures and information were looked at, along with the very detailed color analysis comparison process I do with very specific colors, this client ended up receiving a result of True Spring, which is a fully warm skin undertone palette. Can you see it now? Here's her in a spring color. Picture her wearing a summer color, like a smoky zinc color or what have you. It would take away some of her vibrancy. Here's her in a brighter purple top in the True Spring palette. Here's her in a coral pink top in the True Spring palette range. Here she is in a coral red in the True Spring palette. And here's her in a pattern top in the True Spring palette range. I think sometimes people focus too much on eye color and perhaps what we see commonly online with springs about, oh, really golden hair and really peachy cream skin. That's not what an average spring looks like. Those are really extreme examples to show you obvious springs. Sometimes springs aren't that obvious. Springs can have blonde hair right through to extremely dark hair. And again, general eye colors are irrelevant in color analysis. I will say this client has a natural high cheek color and natural sheen quality to her skin. That's common in springs. And when, say, smokier colors of True Summer, say, are put on True Springs, it takes those natural sheen qualities away. And, obviously they lose their vibrancy, there's disconnection and what have you. And so here with the spring colors, there's so much better connection with this client. Here's her update email where she shared that she was absolutely shocked when she received the True Spring result. She saw the result and panicked. She felt like there was no way she could wear some of these colors. Now that she's had a few months to experiment with those colors, she's never felt like more of herself, more confident, more beautiful. She's having so much fun playing around with the True Spring palette. She absolutely loves her palette and says it's totally transformed her. Oh my goodness. And do you know what? As I've moved to this slide, I realized beside me, I have been holding up the warm card when I meant to be holding up the spring card in this video. These colors are slightly brighter than the warm card. And so my apologies, and I'm not gonna re-record this video, but here is the spring card I should have been holding up. I'm so filled with appreciation for this spring client, true spring client, sharing her update with us all. And I'm absolutely thrilled you're enjoying your color analysis palette and providing an example of somebody who isn't your typical textbook true spring. And I love publishing videos like this to show people that not all true springs have bright blonde hair and are, you know, what we see in the textbooks. This is a true spring as well. Yay, true spring. I'm absolutely thrilled that you shared your color analysis with us all, and I'm filled with appreciation for you. Yay, true spring.